everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll to find the personalizations. As you can see right here we've got the wallpaper section, so let's enter, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got the album, which is basically your own gallery. We've got the inventive wallpapers, static wallpapers and live wallpapers, so let's say some kind of animated ones. So as you can see, just by swiping you can check some options from which we can choose, but if you'd like to enter more, just tap on this arrow. So let me pick something from the static wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got much more options to choose from. So basically, in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied on the full screen, let's say. And after it, here you can also change the preview, so you do not have to go back to the previous page, just here by swiping. So basically, if you want to turn on the animation, let's say, just tap on this icon here, and as you can see, currently the wallpaper zoom animation is turned off. I would like to keep it turned on, so let's tap on it again. As you can see, it is turned on, and if you'd like to apply the wallpaper, just tap on apply. Here you have to decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it and wait a second, and as you can see we just got back to the album with the system wallpaper, so we can go back to the homepage and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully, and let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually, and this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.